Hey everyone, the Huawei Band 11 Pro has quietly stepped into the spotlight, not through a flashy launch event, but through subtle traces discovered inside Huawei's own software ecosystem. More than a year after the debut of the Huawei Band 10, signs of a successor have appeared within the Huawei Smart Life app. Tapping on the Band 11 Pro listing redirects users to Huawei Health, where the device's design is clearly visible, particularly in the HarmonyOS interface. From the images surfaced in the app, the Band 11 Pro appears to adopt a more refined and premium aesthetic compared to its predecessor. The frame seems to feature a metallic finish, immediately elevating its visual presence beyond the typical fitness band look. The edges are smoothly curved, giving the device a softer and more ergonomic appearance. Unlike some trackers that experiment with asymmetrical bezels, the Band 11 Pro maintains uniform bezel thickness on all four sides of the display. This symmetry creates a balanced and polished front profile. There is also a subtle curvature along the left and right edges of the screen. Huawei seems to be offering at least two strap options at launch, a classic silicone band and a braided alternative. The silicone option will likely appeal to fitness-focused users who prioritize sweat resistance and comfort during workouts, while the braided strap adds a more lifestyle-oriented flair, suitable for daily wear. This dual approach aligns with Huawei's strategy of blending fashion with functionality. On the side of the device, a tactile physical button is visible. This button will likely serve essential tasks such as waking the display, navigating through menus, or returning to the home screen. Although Huawei has not officially revealed the specifications, it is reasonable to expect that the Band 11 Pro will build upon the foundation established by the Band 10. The previous model already offered extensive watch face customization, with a wide range of colors and styles, allowing users to personalize the device to match their preferences. It also supported hundreds of sports modes, making it suitable for everything from basic step tracking to more specialized workouts. Sleep tracking powered by average HRV analysis and an always-on display were also key highlights. The most intriguing aspect of this release is the return of the Pro branding. It has been 4 years since Huawei last introduced a Pro model in its fitness band lineup. With the Band 11 Pro, expectations are naturally higher. The Pro label suggests that Huawei may be preparing to introduce a distinctive feature, whether it be an advanced health sensor, enhanced materials, improved battery longevity, or deeper integration within the HarmonyOS ecosystem. If Huawei positions the Band 11 Pro correctly, it could bridge the gap between affordable fitness trackers and entry-level smartwatches. Its refined design hints at a more premium identity, while its likely feature set suggests comprehensive health and fitness tracking. Whether it is a new biometric sensor, improved display technology, or smarter AI-driven insights, the Band 11 Pro has the potential to redefine expectations in Huawei's fitness band portfolio. Even without an official unveiling, the Huawei Band 11 Pro already feels like a deliberate and calculated evolution rather than a radical redesign. It appears to refine what already works while preparing to introduce at least one meaningful enhancement. If Huawei can combine its strong software ecosystem with improved hardware and a standout Pro feature, the Band 11 Pro could become one of the most compelling fitness trackers in its segment this year. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.